Welcome back to Improve Your Money, the channel that equips you with the knowledge to enhance your financial well-being. In this comprehensive video, we will guide you through the essential steps to plan for a comfortable retirement. Retirement is a significant phase of life, and proper planning is crucial to ensure financial security and peace of mind. Let's dive into the key aspects of retirement planning and equip you with the tools and strategies to make informed decisions. Retirement account options. Retirement planning is a crucial step in securing a comfortable and financially stable future. One of the first considerations in retirement planning is understanding the various retirement account options available to you. Let's explore some popular choices: the 401k, Individual Retirement Account, IRA, and Roth IRA. The 401k is a retirement savings plan offered by employers, allowing employees to contribute a portion of their pre-tax income towards their retirement. One of the significant advantages of a 401k is the potential for employer matching contributions, which can significantly boost your savings. Contributions made to a 401k are typically tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on them until you withdraw the funds during retirement. Another option is the Individual Retirement Account, IRA, which is available to individuals. IRAs offer flexibility in terms of investment choices and are available in both traditional and Roth variants. Traditional IRAs provide potential tax deductions on contributions, while Roth IRAs offer tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. It's important to note that contribution limits and tax implications may vary depending on your income and filing status. Understanding these retirement account options is essential because they offer tax advantages and a dedicated platform to save for retirement. By taking advantage of these accounts, you can maximize your savings potential and create a solid financial foundation for your retirement years. Estimating retirement needs. Planning for retirement involves estimating your future financial needs. It's crucial to consider various factors to ensure a comfortable retirement. Let's explore some key aspects to consider when estimating your retirement needs. First, think about your desired lifestyle in retirement. Consider factors such as housing, travel, healthcare, hobbies, and other expenses that will contribute to your quality of life. Creating a realistic picture of your retirement lifestyle will help you estimate the financial resources you'll need to support it. Next, factor in healthcare costs. As you age, healthcare expenses tend to increase. Account for potential medical bills, insurance premiums, and long-term care needs when estimating your retirement needs. It's wise to explore healthcare options, such as Medicare and supplemental insurance, to ensure you have adequate coverage. Inflation is another crucial consideration. Over time, the cost of living tends to increase due to inflation. When estimating your retirement needs, account for inflation and adjust your projected expenses accordingly. This will help ensure that your savings keep pace with rising costs. Additionally, think about your potential longevity. With advances in healthcare and improved life expectancy, many individuals are living longer than previous generations. Consider how many years you may spend in retirement and plan accordingly to ensure your savings last throughout your lifetime. Estimating your retirement income is equally important. Evaluate potential sources of income, such as Social Security, pensions, and investment returns. Understanding how these income streams will contribute to your financial well-being in retirement will give you a clearer picture of your overall financial position. By thoroughly estimating your retirement needs, you can set realistic financial goals and develop a tailored retirement savings plan. It's crucial to regularly review and adjust your estimates as you approach retirement to ensure you're on track to meet your financial objectives. Remember, retirement planning is an ongoing process, and the more accurate your estimations are, the better prepared you'll be to enjoy a comfortable and financially secure retirement. Investment strategies. Investing wisely is a critical aspect of retirement planning. Explore investment strategies specifically tailored for retirement. Diversify your investment portfolio to manage risk and potentially enhance returns. Consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals when selecting investments. Learn about asset allocation, including the mix of stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles that align with your retirement objectives. By implementing sound investment strategies, you can grow your retirement savings and increase the likelihood of achieving your financial goals. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing this insightful journey into retirement planning. By understanding the steps involved, retirement account options, estimating retirement needs, and investment strategies, you are equipped with the knowledge to plan for a comfortable retirement. Remember to subscribe to improve your money for more valuable financial insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve into another exciting topic in personal finance. Your financial journey continues.